How to convert PDF to Google Doc. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for docs.google.com. After that, go to File, then go to Open. After that, go to Computers. Go to Upload, then tap on Browse. Now, open the PDF document that you want to convert into Docs. Let me find something. Since I do not have anything here, I cannot exactly show you, but if you do, simply open it and it will automatically be converted into a docs file, and then all you have to do is save that file and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.